Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing an American Horror Story Apocalypse Micheal Langdon inspired makeup look. First, we are using the MAC Prep and Prime Spray and the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in Natural Ivory. We're just going to put the foundation all over the face for a matte look. His brows are a little bit more straight than mine are, so I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown to create the shape of the brows that we are looking for. Also, his brows are very thick and very dark, so don't be afraid to put down some color on these. I also found that the brows went a little bit more inward towards the nose than I usually do mine, so make sure that you do that as well. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in white and just kind of go around the outside of the brows to make them a little bit more defined. Now for underneath the eye, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick in Porcelain and just putting it under the eye area. Then I'm using the same LA Girl concealer as a primer on the eye. Next, we're going to be using the Morphe Picasso palette, and I'm going to be using the red shade. And I'm putting this sort of in a triangle shape underneath the brow. You don't want to get any on the lid, and you don't want to get any in the nose area as well, so keep that in mind. And I also found that he doesn't have a very sharp edge on any of this, and it's all very blended out. Also, I felt like the color I chose for the red came out a little bit more pink, but I actually felt like this still looked similar to what he had. I kept adding and taking away color by blending it out until I was happy with the saturation of the reddish pink color. For the contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick in Toffee, and I went pretty heavy on the contouring because his face is a lot more contoured than mine is. And I do feel like the contour makes you look a little bit more masculine, which does make you look more like him. I know I did try to make this more of a female version, but I don't think there's much difference between the male or female version because I feel like he's pretty androgynous in his character himself. Here I start to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, but I forgot to take some footage to show you that. but I'm just adding it mainly in the outer areas of the face to darken those and make the cheeks a little bit more hollow. Here I'm using the foundation stick again for the lips because the lip color that he has is very pale. And to make it more of a little bit of a female version of this, I decided to put on mascara. And for this I'm using the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. But this is really the only thing that differentiates between his look and my look. So really you could forego this and have it be a male or female version of this makeup look. And to top it off, I'm going to be using a blonde wig from Wig is Fashion. And I went ahead and used a red fabric and a long black sleeve shirt along with blonde wig to create this look. So this completes the Langdon makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments down below. And let me know what you guys think of the season so far. I'm really excited for it and really liking it so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.